I see a lot of people talking about getting an 18-to-1 chatting ratio, 15-to-1 chatting ratio. If you don't know what that is, that's the PPV sales in relation to the amount that the sub paid for a subscription. So if a sub pays $9 for a subscription, then an 18-to-1 chatting ratio would be like, what's that? 90 times 2 would be like 180, would be like 170. So an 18-to-1 chatting ratio would be a sub subscribing for $9 and then you selling them at least $170 worth of PPVs before they expire. Now, that's super easy. I can do that with like one script. So if you're talking about that, then you're already applying a wrong framework to when subs subscribe. But if you are straight away starting an agency and then just trying to hire chatters before you've even chat yourself, then you won't understand that. So I've got a few scripts here. So my new subscriber script sells them a $35 PPV right out of the gate. So as soon as they subscribe, you set the welcome message to the first part of that script. So it's automatically sent as soon as the sub arrives. And then it's going to sniff them out for a bit. And then boom, it's going to send them a $35 PPV. That's like a quarter of your dream chatting ratio, apparently. If you do what I say, then you'll get more like a 50-to-1 chatting ratio. All right, so we've got another script here. This is, by the way, whenever we design scripts, I say we, more like whenever I design scripts, I accumulate them all, even ones that are still a work in progress. So, oh shit, hang on. So, even ones that are still not finished yet, I'll just have like little notes in that. And then because I haven't found anyone that can create better scripts than I can. I don't know. I just seem to have a knack for this psychological shit. Anyway, so where are we? So I'll run you through how many sales are in just one of the scripts, the first script that I get our chatters to run through. So where is it? This should be sexting session 1. Boom. All right. So I'm going to run through all the sales that are in the first script that we run all the subs through. So as soon as they sub, you run them through a new subscriber script, then you're slinging them a $35 PPV right out of the gate. And then straight away, I get the chatters to continue with what I call the sexting session 1 script. And that has, so you send a couple of free ones at the start, get them warmed up. Then you send them $35 or $34.99. And then you'll go through, you'll continue playing a bit, and then you'll send them another $34.99 PPV. And then you're going to chat for a bit. Here you go. So this is how I've done it. So it's like a dialogue tree. And then you go down. So that you see $35 up the top. I'm not sure if the camera will see it. Go down, another 35. So that's $70. And then you continue talking for a little bit more. And then $50. So what's that? That's $120. So we're already at $120, which is nearly your entire chatting ratio that you're aiming for. So I don't know if you're aiming high enough or you haven't chat yourself. So maybe you don't understand. Here we go. And then another $50 one. By the way, all these scripts are in my new Elite OFM community. The link is below. All the chatting scripts I'm talking about are in there. So there's another $50 one, and then you'll go through, and then there's a $100 PPV, and then you continue. No, that's it. So what's that? We got a $100 PPV, a $50 PPV, another $50 PPV, and then 2 other PPV sales. So that's all in the first script. And then what you're going to do after that script, so one entire sexting session script is designed to last a night, and then it concludes by leaving them feeling good and wanting to come back. Now, if you don't know, after you run a sub through a chatting script, you should wait a minimum of 5 days. A lot of these people are living paycheck to paycheck. So if you try selling them more content before they've been paid again, they're just going to feel like they're being used. So I say minimum 5 days, but it should be like 7. So then what will happen is a sub will arrive. They'll get sent this automated message. Then my chatters will run through the first new subscriber script, send them a $35 PPV. And if they're here to play ball, then they'll run them through the first sexting session script. And then once they've been run through that, you will leave it for the night, leave it for a minimum 5 to 7 days, unless the sub contacts you first. So if the sub messages you first and it looks like they want to play, Then you'll continue. Then you'll go through the second full sexting session script. Otherwise, you'll wait to reinitiate at least 5 to 7 days. And then overall, you're going to do this about 3 times. And overall, you want to run them through at least 3 sexting session scripts before they expire. Now, you can fuck this up if you don't finish a session properly. So if you abruptly leave them, you don't leave them feeling good, that you leave before they have, then they're not going to come back. But if you do everything right, you should be able to run them through the new subscript and then 3 other scripts after that before they expire. Now, you're leaving between 5 to 7 days before each main script, as I said earlier. And the other thing is you need to know how to object properly. If you know how to object properly, then you can get about 85% of them actually purchasing after first not wanting to. And the main way you object is just ignore them, because then they go, if I purchase, then that means the model continues to talk to me. If I don't purchase, they leave me on scene. That is the main way to object. There's a few other ones. I actually mentioned them. They're built into these scripts. As I said, they're in the community below, the new Elite OFM community that I mentioned. Now, there are other ways to object. They're also built into my scripts, and they are just saying, like, fine then, mister. A nice man would have paid. Oh, it's because I'm not as pretty as the other girls. It's just really like guilt tripping them. But so between just leaving them on scene and guilt trips, you can get, as I said, at least 85% of them to just purchase after first not wanting to. And then you do all those things I mentioned, and you don't need to worry about a 15-to-1, 18-to-1 chatting ratio, because you'll be getting more like a 50-to-1 chatting ratio. And then if you find subs in the Findom niche, the financial domination niche, forget about it. You'll be getting their whole paycheck because they actually froth over that stuff. So anyway, I thought I'd tell you how we get at least an 18-to-1 chatting ratio, more double that, and how you can too. And as I said, if you want all the scripts I was talking about, then you can find them in my elite group, which is linked below this video. So anyway, if this helped you out, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, all right?